Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm gonna do today is I am going to show you guys how to do the confetti shirts. I know that these were popular a couple weeks ago. I wasn't able to get on the trend just because I was still recovering from my surgery, but I did order the supplies when I was laying in the bed, and I ordered all the supplies, and I was like, okay, when I get up and I start doing videos again, I'm gonna give it a try. So this is the one that I did, the first one I did. This is regular vinyl with, I don't know if you guys can see, regular vinyl with glitter vinyl, and then I did pink and white confetti around. And then this is the second one I did, which is sublimation. Okay, I did a sublimation image on the front, and then I did black and red confetti going around. So that's what we're gonna do today. This is the confetti that I have. I bought like a sampler pack from an Etsy shop. There are so many Etsy shops selling these now. You really can kind of choose what you want. I will link the Etsy shop that I purchased from down below. Sprinkles. No, that's what they're called. They're called Tea Sprinkles. But the Etsy shop is called Divine Kisses Boutique. And like I said, I will link it down below. Okay? So you can find it. But if you want to learn how to do the confetti shirts, whatever, hoodie. I did this one on a hoodie. Stick around. Okay, guys. So I am back here. Sorry if you hear the people in the building. They are kind of doing work around the building. But these are the confetti that I got. I got black, white, blue, yellow, red, and pink. So I just got like a little sampler pack because I wasn't sure if I wanted to commit, but I did want to try out a couple different colors. So, and what I like about the shop that I ordered from, and I did get these from Etsy, I'll put the link down below, is she put the instructions right here on the front of each pack. So each pack has a set of instructions. It says sprinkle as desired, cover with parchment paper, press for 7 to 10 seconds at 325 using high pressure, and peel hot. So the directions are right there on the front, which is pretty cool. Okay, so I got my my printer. If you hear it in the background, I'm doing a print head cleaning because I wanted to do two shirts. Well, this hoodie and then a shirt. And I want to sublimate the other shirt, but my image keeps printing out weird, so I'm doing a print head cleaning. I got this hoodie from Five Below for $5. So what I'm doing, I'm just gonna do a quick pre-press. I am lint rolling it, and I'm gonna do vinyl on this hoodie, and then if I can get my printer to work, I will sublimate a shirt. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick 5-second pre-press just to get all the moisture out. My pressure is on high pressure because that's what it says you're supposed to use on this. Okay, so my hoodie is ready. I'm just doing some it's a SVG that says Entrepreneur Her, and I'm gonna use my little t-shirt ruler. I think I got this from Etsy just to kind of measure where this is gonna go. I'm always off. Okay, so this is gonna go like that. Okay. I'm gonna do this piece next because I want it closer, but I can't without getting it on top of the transfer sheet. So I'm gonna press this part first. I'm just gonna tack it down. So I'm gonna do about 15 seconds just to tack it down so that I can come back and do this piece, which is a glitter piece, and then the other piece is a regular vinyl, and this one's glitter. So, all right, it's about 15 seconds. My drawer is acting weird, like it doesn't want to pull out. This white is it's not a hot peel. That's why I was doing that. Alright, and then I'm going to put this glitter piece on. I'm going to cover it. And then we are going to press for another 15 seconds. And I think for this one, I'm going to mix the pink and the white, since I have Entrepreneur Her is in pink and white. I think I'm going to do both pink and white. Just a little of each. Okay. So there we go. There's my vinyl. My vinyl is on. Now let's do... Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this down, my heat press. It says do it on 325. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn my heat press down. I'm going to let it cool. I'm going to see if I can get my sublimation image to print, and then I will come back. Okay, so I'm back here and my heat press is cooled off, and I did get my printer to work, so my image is printing right now. My black was acting crazy. Okay, so for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the pink and I'm going to use the white. And like I said, I did cool down my heat press to 325. I am going to have to take it back up to 400 to press my image, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, so basically, she said just sprinkle it. Uh-oh, I just dropped some. Sprinkle it the amount that you want. I want a mixture though of the pink and the white. I'm just gonna kind of spread it out because it was kind of clumped up right there. I know this was kind of popular a couple of weeks ago, but I wasn't recording because I was still recovering from my y'all, I just dropped half of the thing on the floor. Lord Jesus. It's okay. I'm gonna just vacuum it up in 1 second. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the pink one. If you haven't noticed by my videos, I'm actually really clumsy in real life. Okay, now I'm going to get the pink one and do the same thing. Sprinkle it. That one's kind of clumped up. Okay. I think that looks good. Okay, so let me bring y'all in or zoom in so you can see. Here's how it looks, okay? After I've sprinkled everything on there. And then it says to take parchment paper and press for 10 seconds. So I'm going to cover it like that with my parchment paper and press it high pressure for 10 seconds, and you peel hot. Okay, it's been 10 seconds. Okay, so my pink turned purple. Oh, it's starting to lighten back up. Okay, cool. I guess because it was hot, that's why it was purple. But no, that is so cute. And it doesn't come off. As you can see, I'm shaking it, trying to cool it off. Okay, so let me zoom out so I can show y'all. Zoom out. That is really, really cute. Trying to turn it down so y'all can see. Okay, there is the shirt. Entrepreneur her, and then with the confetti. I think that looks really, really cute. Okay, so for the next shirt I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sublimate it. But okay, so I don't want to take my heat press back up to 500. I mean, I'm sorry, not 500, 400. I don't want to take my heat press back up to 400. Wait for it to get up to 400, and then bring it back down so that I can do the confetti. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this image out really, really close. I'm going to place the image on the shirt where I would press it, and then I'm going to do the confetti first. So that I only got to take my heat press up to 400 to press my image. Or should I not do that? Is it going to burn my confetti? What should I do first? You know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't want to burn the confetti. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Okay, I think, because I don't want to burn the confetti with it being on 400 degrees. So I'm going to press this shirt first. I'm going to press the image first. This is, I just have a Sally. I don't know if y'all have ever seen The Nightmare Before Christmas, but it's a Sally image. And I'm going to do, I think, red and black confetti around it. So, you know what? I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to do the confetti first. I think it should be fine. We about to see. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do red and black around. So I'm just gonna put the image onto the shirt like this, and then I'm just gonna sprinkle the confetti around the image so that I know where the image is supposed to go, because I'm gonna do the confetti first, and then I'm gonna take it up to 400 to press my image, to sublimate my image. And I'm doing red and black confetti. I'm just kind of sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. If you guys haven't already joined my Facebook group, please do so. It's Crafty Mamas with an S. There's no emojis on my name. It's just Crafty Mamas. Okay, there's the red. And like I said, I will link down below where I purchased this from. There's so many shops on Etsy selling this stuff though. See what I'm talking about? I am clumsy in real life. I really and truly am. I'm just sprinkling. This is the black now. Okay. And I'm just doing this around the image where I'm gonna press that. That's enough black. I don't even think I have enough parchment paper to cover this, the whole shirt. All right, so I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna do like that. I'm gonna cover it with, I'm actually using a Teflon. And we're gonna do the 10 seconds, okay? Here, let me zoom out. Can y'all see? There we go. It has been 10 seconds. All right, that looks good. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my my heat up to 400 so that I can go ahead and press my image onto the shirt. I will come back when it's at 400 degrees. All right, so I am back and I'm just going to go ahead and press the shirt onto, I'm sorry, the image onto the shirt. Not doing anything special, just putting it on there, covering it, and we're gonna press at 385 for 45 seconds. I'm really hoping this doesn't burn the little confetti off. I have a feeling it's going to, but let's see. I'm kind of scared. Just a little bit. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have just let the heat press go up, sub the sublimation image first, and then did the confetti, because I just have a feeling that it's about to burn the confetti, but we'll see. If it doesn't work, then it's basically hey, don't do this. Don't do this method. We're gonna see though. Y'all see my Jordan want to come out every time I pull it? Ouch. Burn my hand. Okay, so the confetti got a little messed up. It's so cute though. That's so cute. Okay, I like that. Here, let me show you guys. So the confetti, like in some spots, it kind of just lightened up a little bit. Okay, so this is the shirt with the confetti. I think it came out really, really cute. With doing it that way, in some spots, like right here, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, it like lightened the confetti just a little bit. So if you want like a perfect look, I would say do the sublimation image first, let your printer cool down, and then do the confetti. Don't do the confetti on 400, because it just, in some spots, like it, all in all, it's still pretty good. It just lightened the confetti in some spots, probably because it was too much heat. So yeah, do it the way I did it on this shirt. Do the, you know, the image first, and then do the confetti second, after you have let your heat press cool down. All right, I think they both came out really, really cute. But that is all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, bye.